Okay, we're going to try to take the looseness out of this declination axis here. You need this Allen wrench that's in your kit, a long one, and a 3/32 093 Allen wrench. But what I want you to check before that is if this is tight and you still have play right here turning this back and forth, then most likely it's the worm gear and its housing here, which is controlled by this lock nut here and a tensioning collar that has a couple of slots in it underneath it. I'm going to loosen it up for you here, and you're going to see this thing go actually back and forth. If you've got that, check this first. Tighten this back up, not too tight. Just actually hand tight will do, but just snug it up. The nut back on it. Lock it down. Now, these two screws and this small one in the center are the key to this running hard or easy. These two hold this housing down. This one actually warps this housing, putting pressure on the lead screw, on the worm gear, to on the main screw here. So I'll back this off, which will take the warpage out of this, causing it to be tighter. You can see it's very tight. And I'll tighten this back up, and this will be very loose. So it's a lot of times you can do it just by this screw right here, getting it just in the right place to get your tension just right. Now what you should do when you think it's just about right is loosen this up, take it to the other side, put it on a different place on the worm gear of the main shaft, and see if it feels the same way. If it does, you're done. So that's how to get the tension right in this. And the backlash is between this and this. You shouldn't have to loosen these up. These should be snug, but not tight. Don't tighten these up. Make sure that these aren't super tight, or it'll bind everything up. But this screw right here is the key to the whole thing. So there you go.